EOS, we start with 1 hour chart. You want to see how we can look for trade. And if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this range. And then when I mean, if we refer to our analysis, and last when the price was here, we mentioned if we want to look for the trade, it's better we wait for the breakout of this line, which is 8.84, because this is the top based on daily chart based on the correction we have it, because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this. Then from there we mentioned if we get any correction or trade flag, we can look for trade. Anyway, as you can see, there was a continuation, but we didn't get any trade setup. And after that the price dropped, and this is what we get after the breakout. But based on for 1 hour chart, there was no trade setup, because we mentioned after the breakout of the top, any flag or correction we can look for buy. The only way it was to look for buy if anyone get this trade, because after the breakout the prices start to drop and this flag. All right, anyway, based on 1 hour chart we didn't have any trade setup. The only thing is if anyone get the trade, as we mentioned right now, may they start to manage it. No one see what's the next. In this case, we move to weekly chart. Okay, as we can see, based on weekly chart, we were expected to, that's why we have been looking for the breakout of the previous top, the price drop. And now what we're looking for, we're looking for continuation, okay? But now we want to see how we can look for trade. And even if we refer to forward chart, this is what I was explaining, the top based on the daily chart. All right, this is what we, since the price was after we get this down move, when the price was within this, we mentioned we're looking for buy and we want the price to break the top, and this is what we get. Okay, now want to see what's the next. Mostly we're looking for continuation, but we want to see how we can look for trade. And one more things, based on daily chart we have a divergence. This is what we need to bear in mind, that's may we get the correction soon. Okay, and even based on forward chart, MACD doesn't show us a divergence, but the another indicator also doesn't show. And the only thing is we don't have any trade setup. Mostly we can expect to get a correction for next trade. That means we cannot jump in right now. The only thing is whatever the trades we have, we should start to manage. And what I see based on uh, 1 hour chart, as we mentioned, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we have to get the correction or flag to look for the next trade. Either we get the flag here or this one drop, then we can look for the running flat for one move up. And right now we cannot look for buy. The only thing is whatever the trade within this, we have to start to manage. In this case, it's better we wait and see what we get here. Then from there we make a decision what's the next and how we can look for trade. Mostly we're looking for continuation, but the only thing is we have to get the trade set up. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.